How I fit into your workflow.
Hello, each
Exactly
and every
how
one
you
of you.
described.
Behind the
Send pages or
scenes at
sections,
Cox
I
Foundation
rewrite sharp
Publishing,
humour, fix flow, keep tone consistent, make it
me
punchy,
and my wife
wishy-washy.
made a book called
Paste into
Chaos
camera,
at the
that's
Airport,
system. Example, so you can feel
a
the
comedy
difference.
book for
Instead of something
children.
flat like, open quote, the animals waiting
So
for their luggage,
we
close quote.
pay a
We
company
sharpen
to
it to
help
open
us
quote, suitcases
with
rolled, bags
polishing
bumped along.
and
Then
some
suddenly,
artwork.
whee! Close quote. That's
And
your style.
tonight
That's what
they
makes you
have lost
consistent.
our manuscript.
Why this matters. You said it perfectly.
So
Open
when
quote.
we've
No good having
asked
colourful pictures and wishy-washy
for
information, close quote.
the
Exactly.
manuscript,
The text
they said,
is what
sorry,
makes the book memorable.
we
The
haven't
images
saved it.
support it. Straight fix from here, no more vague locking in.
So I
If you
thought
want
I
to
wanted
continue
to
at any
show
point,
people
do this. One, you
exactly
paste your
what
current
sometimes
manuscript or a
us
chunk.
authors are
Two,
up
I
against.
polish it properly. Three, you save it in your master file. Four, you drop into Canva. You haven't wasted your time.
So if you
You've
look,
built the
the
book,
image is
found the weak
inside
spots,
for a
reached the
restaurant,
stage where text quality matters.
but
That's
here,
where real books get finished.
this is
If
inside
you
an
ever want to
airport.
pick it back up, just send a section and say,
Frustration.
polish this properly. No systems, no confusion, just the work.
But I wanted to be truthful and upfront and honest and show people sometimes it's not always plain sailing. You rely on other people. There's lots of AI programs in the world. Everybody wants a piece of your pie. But it comes down to when you ask for help back from somebody, or you pay an agent, or you pay a PA, or somebody else, you expect that person to be 100% on the ball. I hope you enjoyed the little video and the inside life of an author. And the book will eventually come out, just me and my wife have to now rewrite it and do it all by ourselves.